Do you know how many types of lucky star folds there are? Today I'm going to share 2 methods for quickly folding lucky stars. Once you learn them, you'll be able to fold a lot of lucky stars easily. This tutorial is really practical. Remember to like, save and watch so you don't lose it. Cut the A4 paper into pieces of 30 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. We tie the paper at one end like this. When tying the knots, be careful not to pull too tightly to avoid not being able to create a 3-dimensional shape in the end. Fold the extra paper back. First, fold this corner to line up with the left line once. Then align the top corner with the left edge and fold it again. After that, fold the top corner to align with the right side. Here, I'll show everyone a simple technique. Fold the top part of the legs to the left once, then to the right once, to the left side. Fold to the right and repeat this back and forth until finished. Finally, fold the paper head over. Insert it inside. Now let's create the shape of a star. Hold the side with 3 fingers like this with your left hand. Use your right thumb to press inward slightly like this. Press each side like this. Make sure both hands are pressing the edges inward. If your fingers accidentally press the middle, it will ruin the star shape. Adjust multiple times until it aligns perfectly. Now I'm going to show you a quick way to throw. First, fold it like this. Fold the edge right at the center. Next, align this edge with the center and fold it. Make sure to start from this corner when folding. Then, fold this corner to align with the left side. Keep an eye here as well. Afterwards, fold this leg to the left as well. Then fold the right leg over the left. Alright then, the remaining steps are just like before. Fold to the left once, fold to the right once, and repeat it. We finished showing both methods to fold a lucky star. Did you get it? If you like this video, remember to like and follow me.